Good morning. I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do a old-fashioned potato soup. This is like a soup that my mother would have made. I did not get her recipes, I've told you that one time, but this is an old-fashioned potato soup recipe that I think you will like. Now, I have cut up 6 medium potatoes, just in chunks like that, and we put them on a medium heat. And when they start boiling, you need to cook them about 15 minutes. You don't want to get too soggy, you know, too mushy. You want to take them out before that. So we're just going to let this sit here on a medium heat and cook for about 15 minutes. I'm going to set the timer. Now we have another pan. We're going to put 4 sticks of butter in here. I have it softened and have to get my fingers in it. I think you'll like this recipe. We had our own butter. We didn't have to go to the store and buy it. We had all the butter we needed. Okay, we're going to start adding things to the butter. We got a half of a medium-sized onion. We have 1 teaspoon of celery, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt. We're going to stir all that together. Now we're going to take this over to the sink and drain the potatoes. We're going to drain our potatoes. You don't want to get these too mushy, so they look like they're going to be just about right. Now I'm going to put these back in this pan, and now we're going to mix this first mixture that we put on the stove. We're going to mix it over in with the potatoes. You lived on a farm back when I did. You would have had your own potatoes. You would have had your own butter. You would have had your own onions. See, you would have had it. This is an easy recipe for them to fix because they had all this stuff on their farm. And it was the same way with my family. That's what we did. We're going to add 1 quart of milk to these potatoes. We're ready to put this in a serving bowl. Now, if you're going to serve that, you can take a boiled egg and take one of the slices and serve on top of it. And that is your old-fashioned potato soup. Now that our old-fashioned potato soup is finished, it looks very yummy. I hope you try it, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. And I appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot.